Welcome. If you want to activate Google Assistant on your CUBOT R15 Pro, at the first you have to click and hold this home button, and as you can see there's the first method how we can turn it on. So let's click here, and as you can see right now it's working. And I will show you the second method. So we have to go for the Google, then tap right here, move to the settings, click on the Google Assistant, and we can scroll down. When we switch to the assistant mode, we can scroll down and tap on the phone. And when you are here, we can simply turn on this Google Assistant by tapping on the switcher. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!